We are tapping into the trader mind of Alan Knuckman. Hello to you, Alan.
Hello, Angie. 2023 bounce back attack. All this fun, and the S&P is less than double digits. That's less than 10% from the all-time forever tip-top record price.
Do you happen to have a trading lesson you can pass along to our viewers?
All right, let's have a holiday lesson, actually. So I always say I'll trade anywhere, anytime, any direction, any market, as long as there's buyers and sellers and I can execute my trading plan. So the lesson to be learned is put in limit orders. So put in a price that you want to buy, put in a price that you want to sell, and then adjust accordingly as you see the markets move.
What's your trade today?
All right, today's trade triggered. We're looking at HF Sinclair. It's an energy pipeline stock. DINO is the symbol for that stock. Now the PE on it is a ridiculous 3. It's a cheap stock based on price versus earnings. Is 35% off of the November 22 top. And again, the PE is 3. I can't stress that enough. So I'm seeing leverage buying over the last couple of months for May and June. I'm also seeing a bullish divergence bottom, whereas it made new lows in May, but not new highs in implied volatility. That's a sign the short sellers are running out of strength. We've seen it trade between 40 and 60 for the last year. 50 is an important midpoint magnet, and right now the stock is sitting at about 43.50, so it's got some upside potential to get on the move.
I love that DINO ticker for the old Sinclair. How does your option strategy work in this trade?
The way to play an in-the-money option, I'm looking at a December 35 call, again, below that support level. That option trading for about 10. It's $8.50 in the money. December has 6 months of time, and it's only $75 more than the September option. So as I always say, buy enough time to be right.
What are your trading day takeaways?
All right, our holiday trading takeaways. Number 1, halftime score. So the midpoint for the year is almost here. The S&P is 25% off that low, and for the year, for 2023, is up nearly 15%. The NASDAQ, the NDX, the top tech 100 has led the way, up 45%, let's just say 50% off the low to round it up, and up 35% in 2023. Number 2, more score, volatility. The emotion of the market. It may not feel like it to everybody, but hopefully it does to most with this market comeback. This vol fall, which is bullish, it's down 60%. The VIX is down 60% from its October high when the stock market was at its October low. And it's down 35% here in 2023. And lastly, number 3, flags are flying. I'm all about price, and the price pattern that I see here is a bullish flag pattern, a continuation pattern here. So the high that was made 2 Fridays ago, and then you have to look at this flagpole, it targets about a 350-point move. If we break out of this upside range, that would target 4,700 in the S&P, and the all-time forever high is 4,800. So we've got all eyes on the prize, which is that tip top.
Nice. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.